How to fix Roblox Error Code 280? Your version of Roblox may be out of date. First step, close Roblox completely and restart your device. Once the restart complete after, move on with next step. Open run and type the following text. Percentage local app data percentage. Click OK. Scroll down and search for Roblox folder. Click it. Click the local storage folder. Delete the files inside the local storage. Come back. Click log folder. Delete the files and folders inside the log folder. Come back. Close it and move on with next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Select allow an app of users through Windows Defender Firewall. Select change settings. Scroll down and search for Roblox application. It should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the application not having means click allow another app. Click browse. Go to C drive. Select the application and click add in the bottom side. Once adding after you need to enable both private and public. Click OK in the bottom side. Close it. Next step, click settings. Click time and language settings. Click date and time settings. Make sure the set time zone automatically and set time automatically. Both should be in enable. Make sure it's important settings. Once complete after, you need to click this PC and click the C drive. You have enough memory space. Right click, click properties, click tools, click check and scan the drive. Successfully scanned. Close it and make sure you have enough memory space. If you're not having means sometimes the error will occur. After completing all the steps, go to the official website of the Roblox, download and install the latest version. Thank you.